Me call in so more Mr. Clement Boateng or a Ghana Union of Traders Association GUTA President. Now, we are not breaking the coalition of traders and freight forwarders. Declare 4-day strike at Tema Port over new AI system. And in time, Mr. Boateng a home common you heard you. Mr. Boateng, we memoir.
Yeah, I'm just
now, what to say?
Oh, you're not
I do we idea.
Oh, I only say AI, I drink.
Yet, now some more ya one cacay idea and can no boam and yama coso jojo, then I inquire idea. Once once and some might be beyond my idea. Quatia Cranse, more declare 4-day strike at Tema Port. AI no. Dear Jumani did the mam one as he did the hamo. I and Chama and we are declare that strike.
Yo, yesterday the AI, the primary function is that what am I make a decision? That is the job of AI. And you know, what information that you feed the AI, you know, results are open say I don't know about it. I don't know. And see, what is happening is that they are using this AI as evaluation tool. Now, Ghana Hano, one are responsible for valuation of customs. On a random point, say on the evaluation. As you see in the evaluation of the customs and some, and the common Minister of Finance with the deployment of this AI, AI, as I say, Emma values are the debate duties. And in the world, they will invoice a call, say, at the end, $10, what the AI does, and they say, item corner of the coin, the infant say, beer, with the mobile phone, and a coin, if you are controlled to buy. As $10, and I will invoice aqua. What the AI does, and they say AI never shop all around. Or call Europe, or Europe price, or call US, or US.
Yeah, price. Say or world market price,
Yes, or shop all around. Then no shop all around now. $10 now, we go toy, or shop around the money range of say ABR $5 to ABR $20. And a master range, between $5 to $20 now. What the AI does and say 10 biano and pick the highest value.
Let's say $20.
Which is $20, I didn't never pick it.
Inti adianka wo ton no $10 and or call or share what it is sold at the world market maybe at least $20 and as let's say $10 to $20.
Yes.
No afa 20 ni mum e di ba abeye duty amount $10 now
yes.
No. Okay.
Sit here. And you know
Opemsuo.
What we are seeing is ABR duties are not previously before the deployment of the AI ABR which we are pay fancy be at 20,000. It's not to say AI not picking the highest value they say ABR which we are pay ABR 200,000. What I say?
But I say pa.
And Adia ABR previously the bar ABR which was 60,000 because of AI so say which are 400,000. It be cry Voxy the fan car Voxy I see a banning. Voxy then the duty almost about 80,000. Only say AI duty at the Voxy 7.5 million Ghana cedis.
750,000.
Yes.
A free 80,000 no call 750.
Yes. 750,000. Now how do you pay this? So since I must start here way on the 10th of March before now my pilot na mo year most start a pilot December and I must start here pilot man can't train say be a more pilot. But the pilot in here Juma somewhere February, middle of February, and I'm be free and say money and stakeholder engagement. Now I started the idea near Jumadata. So, it's mobile, and I'm a PowerPoint presentation. My presentation, because of say a triple, a quadruple, more revenue, Modia, say, they say, Monia Sika. No more, who say, Sikana Monia Sikano at the expense of the trader and also the importer. Good Juma. A system so no. It didn't come at the consuming public, no, because assuming say, Salvalushina, Odema importer and also trader, and so be Chiakorana. So on for the Christmas, definitely, also the better so I'm a consumer now, day. Yes. The consumer, no, the Ghanaian consumer, no, the purchasing power they were in for. Already, no, because of the stability of the city now, you enjoy now. There you see duties above them, and you cry at 13 years of crano. Ghana forces still an enema bo heading. Now you're 13 years so. I say you use AI. Now you hear duties ever. That's you see a bit there. And the same name will be no bit matter nema. Ghana.
Yeah, Omufra said December no more pilot and sana February workers or mobile engagement. At that time, you know, Omo Yenmo Juana. Baby, yeah, so, yeah, and you know, say at that time, no, if you know, selected companies be around the one say pilot, no, so they be, yeah, but I didn't know full year on the 10th of March. And I feel, you know, one started deploying fully. If you want to start deploying, you know, a honor, a best start to say, affect your members, you know. I want started the reports here, then, a buy. In issues like this, you know, I am not by no whom say more a stakeholder.
Oh, Minia, question in our Bisano. So, sad, you know, and the policymakers, you know, I will go on one year. I don't know if you say, what the policy be a bar. As I say, one I want the policy to be a human. As I want engage one, not all seeking one inputs. So then you formulate a policy, a bar, or be in your ones as a monka because you engage the people and the people are part of the policy. But on the implemented policy, no, and son of a stakeholder engagement.
I did take a full gear from March 10th for said okay, and that means approximately a month in here. So far, with the last month of AI operation at the port, and saying aqua amamo, and near swift nemum, a bono ne wasro, and saying a muhu AI no. A
bono ne wasro, a bono ne was for the past 1 month. There has been a back and forth engagement with the Minister of Finance. Meetings no, the Deputy Minister of Finance no, or chair that meeting, no, because I didn't start here, no, I won't deploy the fully now, and so no. You thrown letter at the command ministry, so no. Most started full deployment, you won't say, and I also, a war, a Joanna Moyen, and therefore, in here, say a missing Kuya. Na ya to adwin na baby a yedi year to ebe year no ye nyina no ye dey 2 years because fine you know say aban pesika but aban who pesika no at the expense or at the collapse of business
model letter no ko no feedback be na munya
ye dey letter no ko ye no no kwa no feedback be ama until we then had to form a coalition na ye form ye no a GUTA, the freight forwarders, importers, and Food and Beverages Association, TAG, that is the Traders Advocacy Group, and okay. Then some business community in the yes, the form coalition, and you call here a press conference. You call here a press conference, you know, and Nuachi and Sana, one sign day, one sign a frame. One friend is why you call and the meeting now you call, you know, you call meeting, you know, day, I think a day before the Easter. That was Thursday. Thursday, so they between call Easter and your course meeting. Your course meeting, the meeting you call, you know, the meeting was inconclusive because Deputy Minister of Beche meeting, no kasa ko ma on kasa. yes my kan yi nyina no wan fa anye juma enti the meeting was inconclusive obi abufu ye o meeting ase o ti ase enti no the fee meeting ase ne say no as say ya man ni bre because ya man ni amre a on yen se kan be den e be dwa nanka and then we have to regroup again and write a petition to the ministry again. Say meeting now 1 year, the meeting was inconclusive. Nothing concrete came out from that meeting, and therefore, what we are calling for is for the suspension of the AI. Na yensen sinkunya, na yentro to adwen. Na de be ye de tu be yama yinya no. Yemfanto. Ye de silent no call ye no. Yente hwe up now. Enunti and they issue that statement and they said, Sadia, fine, already duties no crime of mine intimintia, your name attracted the mortgage. And you say, Musi, Munti, and they are, and you issue that sit down strike, and Yaman Crano. Essence intimintia duties no yentia, and straightforward as no crown only they won't traffic, Mobian Kojuma. Now you share the responser. If you are buying or adding, Abba. And then I issue that statement, fine. There has been some response. Some meeting has taken place at the instance of the transport minister. Transport minister, unfortunately, we're too quiet, but overall, the CEO of Ghana Shippers Authority. Emma ewie one yeshia ama ose minister no say one yeshia na emu no tu kwan obaba Wednesday no ba minister nankasa ebe hia yen na after say any minister na hia no odo nankasa de ebe finance minister nankasa because all the meetings are ya holding no the deputy finance minister ono no chair meeting no and the substantive finance minister na minister no promise and say or the ebe the substantive finance minister no.
But you people think that the substantive minister no onim dey okoso.
Well, onim. I know I wouldn't say onim. But given the nature of such as say no assembly no and maybe this time around he himself want to meet us and then possible see how best the situation could be addressed.
Okay, so now you're looking forward to meet the substantive minister on Wednesday.
No, the transport minister
on Thursday.
On Thursday.
Okay.
It's meet the transport minister then we will go and meet the substantive finance minister.
The information we get in is more declare 4-day strike. Is that true?
Yes. I know the action continues unabated.
Between now and when? Thursday?
Between now and Friday.
Friday?
Yes.
But some
between now and Friday.
Okay, until Thursday now.
Yes, until Thursday you could share. That's a big paper film there. We can call off because we are calling for the suspension. We are calling for the suspension. When we suspend it, then you go back to the status quo. ICOMS. Nebeye Juma customs and Nebema values. You go back to the status quo. After if all issues are addressed, now you use some part. They say and that outrageous duties need you there. Then we can, go on.
Tama, abiding AI neighbor. What was the solution able provided? Omokachire say AI they back to probably smoothing the process and send omokase AI no ebe.
We gave us two reasons. One for misclassification and valuation, but baby anywhere when the AI you say AI no evaluation. The AI checks misclassification, which I support 100% because misclassification, actually say, television audio banner will contain anymore. What declare say use clothing, and what declare tomatoes and a womb, which is not right.
Yeah.
And you know the AI any check here, I don't have any issue with it. But for the AI to be evaluation tool, I know we are against it.
Come to think of it, Sanka, AI no evaluation anka and charge exorbitantly and can be okay.
Why not? Why not? Because when him one started say one day I didn't cry here Jumano. GRA issue statement say custom officer no say assume me say custom officer a year valuation that's all only valuation no be no a year lower than a higher than what the AI even brings her. Ma own for AI there no. Then we for custom officer ni there no. Then no say AI no. Any evaluation.
Ne higher than the custom officer. Higher than the custom officer to the AI. And there they should resort to the AI. So at the end of the day, say in charge him exorbitantly. That has been.
Yes. What to be paid?
So me Tema said there. Not just say ABA mishaps are. AI no edi bana. It doesn't mean say AI na nkasa de enkenye. So when you call for say yen suspending or outright, don't you think say you should rather fine tune it rather than suspension?
We are not against the deployment of the AI. We are against the outrageous duties and values being churned out by the AI. And so calibrate your system in such a way that it will not churn out those outrageous duties. This is what we are calling for. You can say we are against the total deployment of the AI. You can use the AI, but the AI, because any policy computer no and why input and output.
Garbage in, garbage out.
Garbage in, garbage out. And feed the system in such a way that it will not churn out outrageous duties.
Baby, I personally may happy with this misclassification AI no correct.
I mean, we are for it. I don't we are not against it because from where I sit as the GUTA president, the man say the member be Edinema Beba or be misclassify. I know I will not support that. What you say? But say a beba say duties they are now 60,000, yes, you could 300,000, yes, you could 400,000 there. I know there. I will stand up against that.
We dey me do kwa check akra sa misclassification na ema mukoyi munyema ebo ma say asante jemfo mo de ba ne abehwe mo okom yes mo antua the right duty no ni sa yen na ebeba sa na.
Well, I don't know the say a task force and na on form. But you see that task force na nkasa on form here na nkasa na indictment on GRA.
On GRA, yeah. And customs.
And yes, customs division because Minyamano Ebaport wa it is under your custody. Me and one say must submit me invoice. Me the amount our mama values. Makwakutua. And once I met you valuation I would amount no one our mama valuation and I met you. It once our mama valuation I met you no na me de me niam aba no den ti say o sign
be catch say mentua and who can yes it is that means adwuma na onkofo no ho na won ye no does it mean say won adwuma ni here na it is no indictment on GRA because the goods are under the custody it is na obeye bia na obe mam the right duty na metua no e say wo hwe na metua ansa na nema no ebe pia enema na yeden enema na pie then you say one mam duty na metua wi na me de nema akwa na wasan the task force assign abe cross one say yen sign emfa nema no e sign custom office na yen koye a revaluation. No, that is not correct. President, yen share let's say Friday.
Me rest studio be CCI.
Okay, until mami
producer.
Martin you be CCI. Na yen share up to Friday. Na se koba se ebi abaya bamwa is it suspension or recalibration of the AI?
Oh, say there anything say yen sinkunya.
Okay.
Na baby I did so ebe yini na yen fantu because on mine and I children no man I children no nya aban kwa no children on mine no. Aban no the public or the public sector and you the private sector. It's both the public and the private sector and I children on mine no. It's the fact is say oh no o pe you revenue no and no and say you should get your revenue at the expense of the businessman. Now, on only business any day and collapse because of our revenue. Oh yeah, they Baby, let's meet at a common ground. Baby, oh, hey dear, say the duties are mutuano.
Opemsuo.
Hey dear, you know buying here sika. It's fine. Your system in such a way say, hey dear, yeah, they bear 5% and not 10% scrap better so I'm a much we don't have a problem. But say Ubeche duties over 300-400% as against the Auchia previously there. I know there we will not accept that.
Mr. Watch media medawase said na kana unimre kranso na I was say me no etwetwe nkomo na medawase sa oje brema ye to so in case say ye kono nyema bi sesa na se bibi na o say ba e besa ba nche. Mr. Clement Boateng on the Ghana Union of Traders Association GUTA ena yene no etwetwe enkomo on a president na omo ediba to hono awie say omo declare 4-day strike at the Tema Port where they atoso say sa na de ede ensem sansem no so aba no ena mene no atwetwe enkomo